So tonight we're going to be having chicken salad for dinner, and my husband absolutely loves to have eggs in his salad. So I had to break out the OG. Usually I use the Instant Pot Zest, but today we are using what really put me in the game, which is just a regular old classic Instant Pot Duo Plus. We're going to start with a cup and a half of water. Now don't y'all judge the inside of my pot. I told y'all she a OG. I also made collard greens in it last night. And I don't care how many times I make something in it and wash it, it still stains it. So here we are. You'll need the trivet. Most of these Instant Pots come with a trivet. If it doesn't, you can probably find one on Amazon or somewhere. Put a trivet in there. You see, you really can't tell, but the water just comes about to the top of this ring here because you don't need it full, just enough to steam the eggs. We're using the brown eggs today. I'm only going to use 4 because I don't know if the kids gonna eat some or not, and if they don't, I'll use the leftovers for my tuna. But this is real quick and simple. Put those in there, put the lid on. There is literally an egg setting right here. Some videos say don't use it, I use it. It's gonna say high pressure for 5 minutes for those of you who don't automatically have the egg setting, and once it is done, I am going to let it slow release. Hit start, and we in the money. Now, when it's done, it's going to make this super annoying beep. And I think it's like 10 beeps. Yes, it's 10. And as you can see, it's going to be on the keep warm setting until all of the pressure releases from it. I'm going to let it naturally release. And then I will show you what the eggs look like once I put them in some cold water. Okay, so although it says 18 minutes, the pin dropped, which means the pressure has been released. It's on seal, and I'm going to vent it. You see no pressure has come out. To be honest with y'all, I don't know when it stopped because I really wasn't paying attention. But about 10 or 15 minutes should be sufficient. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I might have a damaged egg or two because I usually do. Oh, none of them. Oh, sorry. I did not think about the steam that was going to come out of the pot. But here is my glass of ice cold water. And that is so that I can easily cool the eggs as so that I can peel them. Yes, I'm a brave soul for putting my hands in there and grabbing these super hot ass eggs, but it's temporary. Clearly, I've been doing this for a long time. Hit cancel. I'm gonna let those sit for a minute, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what they look like when I peel them. All right, so our eggs are ready to be peeled. The water is kind of warm. It's not cold anymore. That lets me know that all of the heat from the eggs have come out. I'm just going to go ahead and pour that water out. Got my little napkins over here. So I'm taking my egg, roll it. See, it just comes off beautifully. I'll do one more and then I'll cut one open for you. Peels like effortlessly. I'm just going to put it on the napkin because I am going to run it across some water. Okay, let's see what it looks like. The final reveal. And you got perfect hard-boiled eggs. Let me know if you want me to do a tutorial on something else with the Instant Pot, or if you want me to show you how I brine my chicken.